this is my homemade bread pizza! You only need 6 ingredients to prepare this. Excited? We'll get started right after the intro. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Goldie. And you are watching The Thriving Kid. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And we're back. Ingredients needed: sliced bread, hot dog. Kids can tell. Cheese. Yummy. Ketchup. The ketchup looks creepy though. Thinly sliced tomatoes. Onions. Using a spoon, spread the ketchup all over the sliced bread. 1 down, 5 more to go. It's fun to do this, you know. You should definitely try this. Way more to go. Just keep waiting. Just keep waiting. We're almost there, okay? Just patience, please. Oops, don't leave, because if you leave me now, you take the biggest spider. FF, fast forward. The last bread standing. Make sure to spread the ketchup evenly. Charan! Use remaining ketchup to cover all edges of the bread. Yay! All covered! It's time to put the cheese!
Cheese?
Watch me how I do it. Just keep watching, just keep watching. Don't leave yet, just keep watching. I want to eat now. This is definitely enjoyable to do at home. Almost there. Spread the cheese evenly. More cheese, please. Hot dog time! I love this part, you know. Look at the hot dog. I want to eat it now. Oops, but not yet. It's not the right time yet. More hot dog, please. Bread pizza is loaded with hot dogs. This is my own pepperoni pizza. Use the remaining ketchup to garnish the hot dog. tomatoes. And for the final ingredients, the onions. Now it's oven time. I am using a Hanabishi electric oven. Set it to 200 degrees Celsius. Place the baking pan to topmost part of the oven to avoid toasting the bottom of our bread. Set the timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, dun dun dun! Bread pizza is ready! I can't wait to dig in! Look at my filters like in the 1980s. Delicioso! Try this simple and delicious recipe now. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to share it because sharing is caring. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Also comment below and hit the like button. See you in my next video.